Hello, class. A couple of students have had questions about how to submit an assignment from MyLearning or Brightspace. I'm going to use my sandbox to show you how to do that. I'm currently in my student. I'm viewing as a student, and again, this is from my sandbox, so it's going to look a little bit different than the 1200, the ART 1200 course that you guys have. I'm on the course home right now, and I'm going to go into assignments. And what I'm going to do is upload my assignment from Line. Okay, now you're on a page that asks to submit assignment. So I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to add a file. Where I'm going to retrieve my Line assignment is from my computer. And then I click upload. My documents that I want to find are going to be in my CSM folder, and it's actually an image is what I'm going to be looking for. And so I'm opening up my Line, and there is an example of a character of Line assignment. I'll tell you what, let's load this one. Okay, I'm going to open that. You can see it's uploading. I add. It's in there now. You can put any type of comments you want, and then just simply click submit. And file submission successful, so it's good. Now if I take a look at the assignments as an instructor, I'm going to X out of that. Now when I come into my assignments, this is a teacher view. And you can see this is my view, and what I have is one assignment's in here. I take a look at it. I'm going to scroll down, and there it is. And then when I want to take a look at it, I just, as an instructor, I just open it up, and it's loading here in a minute. And there's the assignment that I just put in, and it's ready for grading. And I'll grade it, and I'll get it back to you. Hope this helped, guys. Have a good evening. Or a good day. Bye.